Okay, so to do a waterfall braid, you start off like a normal braid, and just braid it a few times, and then you drop the middle one, and let it fall, and then you add some hair to the top one, pick some hair up behind the one you just dropped, and then you keep braiding a few. And then you let it drop again. Add some hair onto the top. Pick up some hair behind the one you just dropped to. And then you continue braiding. Once again, let that one drop. Add some hair onto the top one. Pick some hair up behind the one you just dropped. And then you keep braiding. That's how it's done.